Italy's popular path of love reopens after 12-year closure. In this video, we talk about Italy's most romantic walkway welcoming visitors once again after being closed for over a decade.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
The iconic Via dell'Amore, or Path of Love, in Italy reopened on July 27 after an extensive restoration. Known for its breathtaking views and romantic ambience, this picturesque trail in the Cinque Terre region has been a beloved destination for couples and travelers alike. The 1-kilometer path, which links the charming villages of Rio Maggiore and Manarola, is now accessible to locals daily from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Starting August 9th, tourists will have the opportunity to experience this enchanting walk by booking 1-hour time slots for €15. Reservations can be made in advance through the official website, which is currently under construction. Additionally, a €10 fee will be required, and guides will be available to enhance the visitor's experience with historical and cultural insights. The Via dell'Amore was closed in September 2012, following a landslide that caused significant damage and injured tourists. The subsequent decade-long restoration project involved extensive repairs and upgrades, with a total investment of more than €22 million. The reopening marks a significant milestone, allowing visitors to once again enjoy the stunning vistas of the Mediterranean Sea and the colorful architecture that characterizes the Cinque Terre. As one of the most romantic walks in the world, the Via dell'Amore offers a unique blend of natural beauty and historical charm, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking an unforgettable experience along Italy's stunning coastline. Do you have plans to visit Italy this year? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.